If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. So today's tutorial, I just wanted to do a really quick and easy demonstration of the crisscross half double crochet stitch. So it's a really easy stitch and it works up really quickly and it looks really nice. It's very different. I really like it a lot. So you can see it's kind of crisscrossed here. So you can make a starting chain of any amount. There's no multiple, so chain as many as you like for your project. And starting at the first row, it's just going to be the same thing throughout the entire project. So you're just going to yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, very first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over again and going into the next stitch, pull up a loop. So you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Again, yarn over, you're going to go into the very first stitch here that your last stitch was also worked into. Pull up a loop, yarn over, go into the next stitch, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. So we have a new kitten here. She's really interested in the yarn. So we'll just do a couple more. Yarn over, go into the same stitch that you were working on in your last stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. So it really is just that easy. And at the end of the row, you would just chain 2 and turn and continue exactly how I just showed you, going into the stitch that you were just working in, going into the next stitch and drawing through all 5 loops. So it's going to give you a really nice pattern. There's a few different projects I'm working on that have this pattern that I'm doing. So there's this, and I'm also working on a crocheted cocoon cardigan. I'll show you that here. So for this one, I did 2 rows of the crisscross half double crochet, 1 row of double crochet, and just repeating that over and over with the variegated yarn. So this is most likely going to be the next video that I put out. After this one is going to be how to make this crochet cocoon cardigan. I still have a good amount left to go, but keep an eye out. That will be the next video. Thank you all for watching.